Alright, I'm Art Biget, designer at Peak Design. I'm going to go over the field patch with you guys and tell you all about it. Hopefully by the end of the video you've got a pretty good understanding of why this thing is so awesome. So, first of all, this is an accessory pouch. It works great with the everyday messenger here because the size is designed so that you can put the pouch in vertically, and it fits really nicely, or you can put it into the front pocket here as well. And as long as it's not too stuffed up, you should be able to get the front pocket out, or the pouch out of the front pocket in a nice little sort of deploy scenario. So the main thing, one of the coolest things about it is that it has this expandability aspect, which also prevents moisture from getting into the pouch. So it can go from really small, if there's not that much stuff into it, sort of a medium amount of gear in here right now, or if it's really filled up, it can expand upwards like so. So it can more than double in size, or in volume rather. And that's really nice for photography, because you're always kind of editing your gear load depending on what you're doing. So the pocket layout, I'll go over. I've folded the flap back on this one so you can see really clearly. It's a big main compartment here. It's lined with a polyester felt that provides a little bit of impact protection if you're carrying lenses or any sensitive gear in here. There's two really big mesh pockets which expand and kind of form to, it's great for chargers and cords and stuff like that. Also works really nice for lenses, smaller mirrorless lenses, or even Nikon lenses, as long as they're not huge. You can do two side by side in here, and they'll be held nicely in place and protected with this felt here. Again, not like heavy impact protection, so they don't go drop in the thing, but it'll protect it when you're wearing it on your hip or when you stuff it into the bag. In the back here, there's another little slot that's really great for hard drives and such, like so, and that protects them really nicely. And then in the front, we've got two zip pockets here that are great for batteries and memory cards or keys, things you don't want to be kind of rattling around and kind of collecting at the bottom of the bag. And right, so there's a couple of different ways to wear the field pouch. One is via these belt loops here, so you can feed this onto your belt. We'll talk a little bit more about that. And the other one is with these anchors, which kind of stuff into these little slots here, but then you can use a Peak Design strap, and we'll show you how to set that up in a second as well. Another feature is on the front of the pouch here, you can attach one of our capture camera clips. So this slot here, you just slide it through like so, swing it into place, crank down those clamping bolts. This patch of Hypalon is what the material is called. It's very tough, and that's cool because when it's on your belt or on a strap, you can actually clip your camera right into the front of the pouch, and we'll show you that more in a second here. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set it up on a belt. So basically what you're going to do is, I like to leave my side loop open here. So I feed it through the two, and then go through the front loop here. And what that does is allows the pouch to slide around a bit on your belt, and I find that to be pretty helpful. So if you've got really nice access in here, you can cinch it down so it's really tight and lays nice and flat to your body. And then again, like as your gear sort of grows and the pouch gets larger and larger, then you can kind of accommodate it. And then for a strap, this is a Slide Lite. This is one of our sort of mid-range camera straps here. It's the same deal, so I basically just click it off my camera, and I can click it onto the pouch like so. Same anchor connection system there. And now this is a really great sort of go-to bag for if I have a hand strap here, or if I don't even want to use a strap. I've got all of my camera goodies here. You know, different. I can stash 2 small lenses in here, hoods, filters, memory cards, batteries, the whole 9, and just go really, really light and not need a full bag. Likewise, so I've got the capture mounted on the front here, and what that lets me do is basically click my camera directly onto the pouch, and that will give a really lightweight carry, kind of hands-free carry setup where I've got everything that I need is right here. I can still access the pouch, and I've got really quick access to the camera as well. So it's a really nice kind of run and gun setup that we like quite a bit.
Solid. That was awesome.